Walmart and trying to get ice. So yeah.
I was just worried about what color shoes to wear.
Christian. It's the first time seeing Noah in shorts. Gilbert, what the fuck was that?
Oh, is that new?
Yeah.
I want to get that too, but the black one.
They only sell the black one online. What the fuck are you doing?
You go Costco.
Well, this was $89.
For real?
Yeah, at Best Buy.
Is it too late to buy alcohol?
Alcohol for days. Is it?
Yes.
Too late to buy alcohol. Alcohol.
What a time limit on alcohol. It's like, if you bring it up to the register. Oh, I can't tell you that right now. Like, that's this. I think that you're recording our Walmart.
I know. Recording our Walmart experience. The what?
Like, can.
The what? You want to see something funny? It's yeah, Noah. Yeah. Somebody got some. Yeah, I don't like.
Hickey boy.
Hickey boy.
No.
Okay, we're at Jason's house, just drinking, and fucking Christian, what the fuck is he doing? And Gilbert is cooking.
I'm sorry.
And
I don't remember. Like I hella blacked out. So like all of my friends are like, someone gave you something wrong. So I think.
Okay, hurry up, go.
oh shit, your light is fucking bright. Can you not?
What?
Basically, someone gave me something.
No.
So I was like,
What's up? What's up?
I don't
Well,
remember.
Christian was trying to fucking like
Okay, go.
cut me.
Were you okay though?
Oh no, there's ass.
Right? There's ass for days.
Okay, go. Go,
There's
ass
ass
for
for
days.
days.
I remember
Ass
drinking
for
with my
days.
friends,
Ass
and
for
that's
days,
it.
girl.
And then I remember waking up.
Girl, where are you going?
I'm gonna change.
Were you with your friend? Yeah. I was with my other friends, but then I guess it was like kind of friends of friends.
So, we have yet to make a goodbye video for Jason.
My life. It was basically so.
You used to fucking like stop. Like,
Oh, is that right now?
stupid ass.
Okay, let's do it right now then. Right here.
Hey.
There's a lot of people that I don't know.
Girl.
Right?
Dude, there's a lot of people.
Whatever you do with that video, do not tag me in it.
Okay.
No, we're gonna make vlog.
Here at 27th concert, just in between shows, just chilling.
So I called Gus and said, make me more popcorn because I'm going to need to.
What we're doing between shows.
This is a family event.
Is this another fat heifer?
No, this is not.
Okay.
It's my. Well.
Now it is.
Now it is.
Filming for staff. Film that in portion.
Damn, that's a lot.
You want to pee?
That's a lot of nachos.
You're a lot of nachos.
Look at this. This is a brown. Oh, you loved it.
Right before 20% of concert. What? Doing a vlog. You mental. Okay. Over here, working hard. Working hard, working hard. Hey. Post concession. Working hard. Everybody working hard. Hi. She's actually working. She's not on break anymore.
Shut up.
Just talking stories for days, you know. Like while we're working hard.
When Auntie Jan.
Arm wrestle between Steph and Lori.
Oh.
Ready? Go! hand too. It's left hand.
Stop bending your wrist!
Yes.
I would just like to say that's the only arm wrestling event I've ever won in my life. I'm left-handed. That was her left hand. That was my left hand too.
Omedeto.
If it was right hand, it would have been like. Okay, right. No, I.
Oh, okay. We're doing right hand now. Ready, go! That was easy.
How do you knife? How do you knife? How do you knife?
That's sad.
Give up. No, I didn't. You want to try it again?
Okay. Ready, go!
I feel like I've accomplished something in life.
Yes!
I'm not even kidding.
3 times. 3 times.
The left hand was a fair
Fair yeah.
match. I just struggled for that one. I think it was from that time you went to Japan the first time and you had to like fan yourself. You must have just never went down. On the right side? On the right side. It's because I do Natalie's arm.
Oh yeah, the arm thing, yes.
Cleaning up.
Stay tuned for the next event.
I'm gonna be like leg wrestling or something.
Yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? Well right now I'm getting off to Sand Island. Gonna go jet skiing. I'm excited. I haven't been jet skiing in a while. Yeah, it's right over there. So, and on a beautiful Hawaii day. Yeah, jet skiing. Let's zoom in. Fuck. I don't know. I was trying to zoom in. I wanted to get his abs. It's fucking hot. Yeah, this is abs, yeah. This is abs, not the face. That's why I get paper bags, yeah. What Gilbert does best.
Oh, he has a V-shape though. He has a V-shape.
So, this thing right here, Gilbert is gonna return it. We just use it as a rental. We just use it for right now. Oh, big ass. We're doing our nails. Can't handle.
Why did you do
Oh, that's a big camera.
Just got my feet done. And she's still waiting for. She's taking a long time, a really long time. Because of her Samoan feet. Just kidding.
What are you doing?
A long.
Somebody looks ugly in it. Don't show me. Don't show stuff on there. It's criminal, damn it.
It's taking a long time, and then we have to.
Anyways, here you go. You look ugly.
Get a little more nail.
But yeah,
A little more nail.
I thought he was white though.
Just one nail. Just kidding. Anyways, yeah. Come here. They're really, really good.